lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, lolly,
I have some yummy goodies to share with you guys this week. Come see what I created. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. This is week 3 for the Sweet Treats series that I'm doing. Basically what this series is about, I'm taking you guys along with me, is I create sweet treat themed projects for a sweet treat kit that I'm going to put together. A few months ago, I created a bee themed kit and you guys really enjoyed it. And so I decided to kick off a sweet treat things kit for you guys to enjoy as well. If you like my video and you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button for my video. Also, if you want to become a part of my YouTube crafty family, I would love to have you. Please hit that subscribe and also hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I have a playlist of all of the things that I've created thus far for this kit. I will leave a link below for you guys to check it out. If you missed some of the videos, you'll have all the videos in one place for you guys. Also, if you want to connect with me on Instagram, I will leave a link below as well for you to join me over there as well. So let's just jump into it and let me share with you guys some of the products I use to create my projects I'm going to share with you today. So I pulled out this Cottage Cuts Fun die. This is called the cookie jar. I believe this has been in my stash for quite some time and I have never played with it. So this was a great opportunity to pull this out and play with it. I also have this cute little cotton candy die by Quick Cuts. I've newly purchased this on eBay, so I wanted to play with this. And then I pulled out my Cat Scrappiness Sweet Sentiment. I've had this for a while and I love the font for this die. It's super cute. The two papers I play with is the Mente Forever Young. And I also play with the Sugar and Spice paper. And lastly, you know I love my Nouveau Drops. I pulled this Nouveau Drops out. This is becoming my fave. And this is called Carnation Pink. Love this. All right, you guys. So let me just pull out my little tray of goodies. I've been in a die cutting mood. And I created some fun things to go in the kit. So first off, I want to share with you guys the Doily embellishments I created. They were so, well, they're not really embellishments. They're more so like treat toppers. I was inspired by a video I saw. I will link it below. She created some cute Doily embellishments and I just created a bag topper instead. So here's one of them here. These turned out so cute, you guys. I also use some chipboard pieces from the Forever Young, the Mente Forever Young. I use some chipboard pieces from that. You can see the Cottage Cuts cookie die. Oh my God, it is so super duper cute. I added some glitter to the top as well as to the bottom of the jar. And then I used some glossy accents on the cute little cookies to give that some dimension. This cookie cutout right here came from the Sugar and Spice cutout pieces. And I just layered everything up. This pretty cutout here of the flowers came from the Sugar and Spice. And you see this cute little chipboard piece here that came from the Forever Young. You guys, I love this. It's so dainty, it's so soft, it's so sweet, and it's so cute. So let me share with you how this will go on a bag. I just have some paper here. So if this is your bag right here, it'll just go on there just like that. How adorable. And so, you know, if you purchase this kit, you'll have this already done for you. Quick and easy. You can just grab a bag, add this cute doily bag topper, and voila, you are done. So that's the advantage of purchasing one of my kits. My kits will come with handmade as well as store-bought goodies. So you'll get the best of both worlds in my kit, and they come jam-packed. So I can't wait to put everything together and share with you guys how the kit turns out. So this is one of the cute doilies. And they'll pretty much have almost the same, but they're a little different because they have different chipboard pieces. Here's another one. You can see the Nouveau drops. I highlighted that. You guys, Nouveau drops are becoming my favorite thing. I love it. It just adds that special little touch. I also added some tulle from the Dollar Tree, the one with the snowball tulle. I added that in between the layers to give it, you know, some interest. And I just love how dainty and cute these are. Let me share with you the other ones. So I alternated the colors for the cookie jar. I used the sugar and spice paper and just alternated the pink and the blue. But you guys, I love it. I love how these turned out. This is how the back looks. I like to share the back. Whenever I create things, people want to see the back of it. But aren't those fun? Ooh, they're so cute. And here's another one here. And you can see they're all just a little different in the way that I layered up the pieces and everything. But, you know, they pretty much look the same. Let me bring it up so you can see that cookie jar a little bit better where I added the glitter to it. So fun. And here's the last one I created. Right here. Here's the last one. So aren't those cute, you guys? And would be a great little bag topper to add to, you know, whatever you're creating and you want to package it up. I love how those turned out. All right, so next up, I just have these bows here. Actually, these bows were already made, and I added the cute cabochon to the center. Actually, it's a hair bow. So, but it can be, you know, added just like that onto your project. See how cute that is? And here's what the back looks like. So it has a clip on the back. And you can just add it, you know, onto anything. So cute. And then I added this cute little cabochon in the center. All right, so I have some of those. This one has the cute cupcake. This one has the pretty ice cream. So these are the sweet treat bows. This one has a cute M&M cabochon in the center. This one also has an M&M little center. Next up, I have some cotton candy paper clips. So this is how the cute little cotton candies turned out using that using that quick cuts die. Actually, I use foam to cut this out, and then I just used some clear hot glue and added some fun glitter to the foam, pink foam. And so this is what it looks like on the back. And then you can just, this is your paper or whatever, it goes on like that. Isn't that cute? I love how these turned out. I put this cute little bow there in the center. So yeah, you could just add that to, you know, any project that you've created. You want to add something to the top. You can use this cute little cotton candy paper clip. So I just alternated the colors of the bows. Here I used the pink. And then on this one, I used the green or the teal. So yeah, I did a few of those. And then I used that Cat Scrappiness Sentiment Sweet. I'm going to add these in the kit. I don't know if I'm going to add this on an actual project or something, or just include the die cut. I haven't decided yet. But isn't that pretty? And it's a great size as well. I have one more Sunday left. I've been coming on every Sunday and sharing with you guys what I created. So make sure you check me out on next Sunday as well. I don't have a time. I just upload on Sundays. So just check me out on Sundays for my sweet treat videos. That will actually be my last video. And then it will be the great reveal of the kit. And it will go live for purchase. So that's what I have for you guys today. I appreciate you stopping by my YouTube channel. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.